Today I'm putting intake valves back in a old Audi 1.8 cylinder head. This is off like a early A4 or a Passat. It's a AEB head. Just showing you the tool that I just purchased that's making my life a lot easier right now. This OMT valve spring compressor. It's a screw style one. It doesn't have that big lever, you flip over, and it's got all these tiny little fittings, and it's really nice. It was 20 something dollars on Amazon, super cheap, and it's the perfect job for this. It has just the right size fittings here. They go right in. They give you a large access window so you can get your keepers in, and this is the one. So in the past I've used this style. So I was actually using this on the exhaust valves, and I have a custom little end I made for it, where you move the latch over, and then I also have this style where you bolt it down to the head, and then you have a big bar that you kind of rock it down, but it doesn't really lock into place. And yeah, this is the best. It was 20 something dollars, Amazon, OMT brand, for a 1.8 cylinder head. That's what you want to use. So just showing you guys something that might help if you're looking for the tool for this job. So thank you.